Welcome to my full, honest review of Color Street, the popular brand known for its easy-to-use nail polish strips. I've spent several weeks testing them out to give you a detailed look into how they perform in real-world use. When you first land on the Color Street website, you're met with vibrant visuals and a pretty intuitive layout. It's very colorful, clearly designed to appeal to a modern, beauty-focused audience. Navigation is straightforward, with categories like Shop, Nail Bar, and Boast a Party right at the top. The product pages offer a decent amount of information, including multiple product photos, pricing, and descriptions of each nail strip design. However, not all items include close-ups or user-generated images, which could be helpful for getting a better idea of the final look on real nails. Color options are definitely a highlight. There's a broad range of colors, finishes, and theme sets. Whether you're into bold, glittery styles or soft, neutral tones, there's something here for everyone. As for the shopping experience, I didn't run into major issues, but checkout is a little clunky. You're pushed toward connecting with a stylist, which can be confusing if you just want to buy and go. This upsell strategy might make sense for a direct sales model, but for a new customer, it could feel intrusive or overly sleazy. Shipping times were acceptable, but not the fastest. My order arrived in about a week, which is decent but not impressive. Application is where Color Street shines and stumbles. The strips are made of real nail polish, and yes, they do smell like it. The application process is relatively simple: peel, stick, press, and file. They don't require any heat or tools, which is a big win. However, getting them to line up perfectly can be tricky, especially if you're a beginner. If your nails are very curved or wide, some strips might not fit properly without trimming, and the adhesive can lift at the edges if not applied smoothly. Once applied, they do look quite professional. The shine and finish are impressive for a non-liquid product. I got about 5 days of solid wear before noticing chits, especially at the tips. Color Street claims up to 10 days, but that may vary depending on your activity level. For me, they didn't last quite that long without visible wear, especially if I was doing dishes or typing a lot. Many useful links you can find in the description. Let's talk about pricing. A single set costs around $13, which is less than a salon visit but still more than basic drugstore polish. Whether that's a good deal depends on how much you value convenience and time. For special occasions or gifting, they make sense. For everyday use, the cost can add up fast, especially since you can't reuse the strips once opened. Another area worth mentioning is the company's business model. Color Street operates using a network marketing structure, which means individual stylists sell the product directly. This isn't necessarily a negative, but it's important to know what you're getting into. Some people have found success selling Color Street, but others report pressure to recruit and invest in inventory. As a buyer, you don't need to get involved in that, but the presence of stylists can influence your shopping experience. Customer service is okay, but not outstanding. I had a minor issue with one of the strips being dried out, and while I was eventually sent a replacement, the process wasn't very fast. There's no live chat on the website, and response times to email were slower than I'd expect from a beauty brand with a large customer base. Overall, Color Street has some standout qualities, mainly the variety and convenience. But there are definite downsides too, especially if you're expecting long-lasting wear or seamless fit for all nail shapes. It's a good option for those who want a DIY nail upgrade without the hassle of traditional polish or salon appointments, but it's not a miracle product. If you're thinking about trying Color Street, weigh the cost against how often you plan to use them, and how patient you are with application. There's potential here, but also a learning curve. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more honest reviews and user-focused content.